So today, Tess and I will be teaching you how to use a graphing calculator. First step, you're going to want to hit that on button. Now your graphing calculator is on. Boom. Today we'll be graphing a simple parabola and teaching you how to find certain points such as the vertex, intercepts, and other cool things that you can do on the graphing calculator. So first, you're going to want to hit the y equals button, and our equation is y equals x squared minus 2x plus 3. So we're going to enter that by hitting x squared minus 2x plus 3. Now your equation is entered. Now you want to hit the graph button. After you've hit that, the graph will appear. If you aren't happy with your parabola because you can't see the entirety of it, you want to hit window. And once you get to the window option, you're going to want to make your x min, max, or x min, x max, y min, and y max bigger so you can see more of it. So I'm going to go ahead and change from -10 to -20 to 20, and I'm not going to mess with that because, to be honest, I have no idea what that means. SCL and YSCL shows you and allows you to dictate what increments the graph goes by. So since it's set at 1, our graph and axis is going to be set by increments of 1, but if you were to change that to 5, let's say, our graph, oh, that's not a 5. Our graph would look a lot different and a lot it would be set up differently. So, and then -20 and 20. Now, if you go back and hit graph, it'll give you a better view of your parabola. If you're still not happy with that, or if that's too zoomed out, then go to -15, 15, -15, 15, and just play around with it until you're happy with the image you get. The next thing we will be learning how to do is using the second calc button. So to get to the second calc button, you want to hit second and calc and go to value. And at value, if you wanted to find the y-intercept, you could hit x equals 0, enter, and then it would show us the y-intercept, which is y equals 3, which you could have found from the equation, but whatever. We have typed in a new parabola equation so we can show you how to find the x-intercepts using the second calc option. So the equation we have chosen is -x squared minus x plus 2. Once you have that entered in, you're going to want to hit graph. Now that the graphing calculator has graphed that function for us, we're going to want to hit second calc 0, and it's going to ask us if we're left bound. So I'm left bound of where I think it is. I'm right bound. That's my best guess. I'm going to hit enter, and it tells us what the actual one is, which is -2, 0. To find the other one, we're going to go second calc 0. I'm left bound of where I think it is. I'm right bound. Now I'm my best guess. And this one is 1, 0. Another way to find the x-intercepts or y-intercepts is hitting second table or second graph, which brings you to the table. And by scrolling through here, now we can see -2, 0, which we found with the value option through second calc. You can also find it through the table, which sometimes is faster. It also shows you the y-intercept, which is 0, 2, and if you keep scrolling down, 1,